up YouTube, Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today I'm here at the Oregon Premium Outlet Shop. So here they have multiple brands. They have Nike, they have Converse, they have Adidas, they have Ralph Lauren. So let's go. So I'm now here at the Nike and Jordan section of this Oregon outlet shop. So over here I'm holding a Jordan 10. This is an Orlando colorway. They are on sale for 30% off. So original price is at $9,445. Now you can get it for only 6,595 pesos. So they have a lot of Jordans over here. Here they have this is what they call the Jordan Black Cat. So it has resemblance of Jordan 13 on it with this hologram over here and then the midsole. So this one is on sale for 20% discount and the price is at 6,595 pesos. So they have two colorways. So this one and this one. You also have another colorway of the Jordan 10. So this one is at 7,495 pesos. So these are the blue and red colorway. So I actually like this colorway. This is the Jordan 13. The colorway is actually olive and black, so it has a very plush suede material on top, and it's on sale for 40% off. This one from 9,445, now it's only at 5,595 pesos. So great deal, guys. So if you're looking for a basketball sneakers, Jordan in particular, you have to check out the Oregon here. Not sure why they have a lot of Jordan 10s here, probably because the silhouette, Jordan 10 silhouette, is not that popular. So they have another colorway over here, and here it's a 20% discount. It's at 7,495 pesos. So here at Oregon, they also have Adidas. So they have this Boost over here. The price is 7,500. I'm not sure what is the sale price. How much is this?
5,100.
So now it's only at 5,100. So yeah, good deal, guys. Over 2,000 peso discount. Let's check out over here. Other Nikes. This looks like Jordan 1 Low. This is, I'm not sure what this is called. Nike Court Borrow. So this one is only at 2,495 pesos. They also have different types of Air Max and Vapor Max. So they have this run utility of the Vapor Max. They have this Air Vapor Max over here. They have this Vapor Max R. So all of the different discounts, like this one is 40%. The others are 20% discount. This Vapor Max 97s are on 20% discount. So now it's at 8,495. You have here the Air Max 95. So it's a 20% discount. Now you can get it at 8,495 from the price of 10,645 pesos. You have the Vapor Max Flyknit. This one is at 30% discount. So the original price is at 9,400 and now you can get it at 6,595 pesos. Actually like this colorway of the Air Max 97s. So this is kind of rare because I haven't seen this kind of colorway before. So now it's at 5,995 pesos only. This Vapor Max Plus is at 6,495 pesos. So 30% discount, guys. Another Air Max 97. So this one 6,395 pesos. So here they have the Epic React Flyknits. 20% off, 6,095 pesos only. Then they have the Zoom Flies. This one is at 4,495 pesos. These sneakers are very good for running. It's very light, very soft. We have the Pegasus 35 at 20% discount. So now it's at 4,995 pesos. So it's below 5,000 pesos. So guys, I'm here at the Adidas section inside the shop. So they have the Ultra Boost over here. These are the Pure Boost. So the Pure Boost is at 30% discount. Now from 8,500, now you can get them for 5,895. They also have the Ultra Boost Laceless over here, 30% discount from 9,300 pesos. Now you can get it for 6,495 pesos. And they have two colorways. They have the black and the white. Over here they have the young ones. So they have different colorways. They have 4 colorways over here. You can get them. So now the price is at 30% discount, so you can get them for 5,495 pesos only. They have the D-Rock Runners over here at 30% discount. The POD S3 also at 30% discount, now at 5,895. We have Superstars over here. So this one 30% off and it's at 4,895 pesos. If you're looking for Gazelles, they're also at 30% discount. Now it's at 3,795 pesos. So now we are at New Balance, so they're also at 30% off. So these are the Rev Lite. So from the price of 5,195, now you can get it for 3,500 pesos. This is another colorway of the Rev Lite. So again, this one is originally at 5,995 because it's leather, and now you can get them for 4,195 pesos. I'm not sure what kind of New Balance this is, but it's also a 30% discount. So now you can get them for 3,795 pesos. The Asics and Puma section. So here they have this Gel Light 3, 30% off, now at 3,995 pesos only. So they have 2 colorways. This one actually is more expensive. This is at original price is 6,200, 30% off. So now it's at 4,295 pesos. Here at the Puma section, they're at 40% off. So this Tsugi Sensei Caviar is at 4,295. The original price is actually at 7,270 pesos. So they also have the Blaze of Glory over here. These are 30% discount. So now 3,995, 3,895. If you're looking for Puma Suede, they also have it here at 30% discount. 4,295 pesos. There are two colorways. So this is actually a collaboration with Bobito. I'm not sure who Bobito is, but it is a collaboration. So guys, I just finished my tour inside the Oregon Premium Outlet Center. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and if you're interested, please drop by here at Oregon.
I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.